In this video, I will show you how to log out of Trust Wallet app. So first of all, open your app and go to your Home tab. And from there, click on the settings icon at the top left. From here, click on Wallets at the top. And right now, click on the 3 stripes from the wallet where you want to log out of. So I only have one, so I'm going to select my main wallet, click on the 3 dots. And from here at the top right, I can see the delete icon. And before you do this, it is really important that you make a backup of your recovery phrase from this wallet. So I have that already done manually. I have stored my secret phrase somewhere safe and I know what kind of wallet it is. And you can see what kind of wallet it is by going back, and then under main wallet, or just the name that you have there, you see multi-coin wallet. So it's also really important that you remember this. So again, make a backup of your recovery phrase, and after you have that done, you can click on delete in here. If you do not recover your secret phrase, then you might not be able to log into this wallet again. So this is really important. So if you have that done, click on the bin at the top right, click on delete if you have your backup, enter your passcode. And as you can see, we have logged out of our wallet. If this video was useful, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.